last time we were here, there was a line.
Yeah. So I think we just need to check in.
Yeah, we go straight.
Yeah.
Oh wow, yeah, this is empty.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, we got here early. Oh damn.
I think this is a nice roll in then.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Here's the check-in area, and I'm just trying to get our booth number.
1370.
Hi guys.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
Oh, thank you. Yes.
We checked in.
And we're
Now heading to
our spot.
the spot.
And the cool thing is they already know too, so that's awesome. Because last year they were like, what? Where? And I had to call our vendor, but damn, they already know that who our vendor is, and they already know too where their spot is too. So oh wow, look at this, they're all getting ready. And she thought our Bronco was a Jeep, and I said, oh no, it's a Bronco. Oh, there they are.
Here we are.
So we got our bungee cord up to 65 pounds from Harbor Freight, and it did well. And we're just waiting to get set up, and there is our booth right there. And here is our future neighbors here. So man, the roll-in was easy peasy.
And here's our exhibitor badge.
Oh wow, and there's our badges right there. Thank you, Convoy Covers, so much. So later on we're just gonna walk around, but man, right now it kind of looks like an empty parking spot right now, because this is the first day of check-in, and it's still early. We got here really early.
All right, so we are now going to stage.
Here is Convoy Covers all new portable tactical awning right there. Right now they are just rolling it up. Look at that portable tactical awning system. United States Marine Corps handmade design right there, made in the USA. And this is our setup here. Here's Sarge. We're on top of the boulder, right? And there's Sarge right there. And this is our setup right now. We kind of finish setting up for today. Today is Thursday. Today is the first ever rolling in, and then they also have one for tomorrow. And this is our setup right now. We got the boulders here. We got their portable tactical awning system right there. Here's all of Convoy Covers booth stuff right now. So this is our spot. We are number FF 1370 right here. And let's walk around. Our neighbors, here's some of our neighbors here. Built right, made in the USA. And right now it's still kind of pretty much empty. Here's the Garmin booth. They just barely got here and setting up. Here is the Lexus, the Lexus here. They're still setting up. We got some food stand vendors here. We got Rebel Off-Road. Oh wow, look at that. They're like pretty much done already. They got all their awesome Jeep. Oh, and a Toyota. So check out their awesome Gladiator. Oh, Tacoma with 74 weld portals. Nice. And they even got the Camberg lower control arms. This is nice. Look at that, side by side with the Gladiator. And here's the Rebel Off-Road booth. This is part of it. Here's their Dodge Ram Overland truck here. And here is Predator tires. They only have the banner and booth set up here. Vendors still setting up here. They got the trailers. Hey, what's up? We got Tailgater, the tire table booth there. We have Bench Made. We got Flated Oh, we saw them in some of the expos. Here, we got to go in the rear because this is what they're known for. Oh, cool. They even got a flated, what do you call that? Cover? Like a canopy cover? That is so cool. Yeah. Oh, and there's their couch. Hey, what's up, guys? Look at that. That is so cool. Good, good. How are you guys? Nice. All right, so Fox Suspension just arrived. And they're still setting up their booth. Bench made. We have premium knives since 1987. They're still setting up. And then we are now back in our booth. Here is one of our neighbors, Basil's Garage. We actually saw them in the wait, where did we see them? At the California
Adventures.
Overland. Yeah, there we go. In San Diego. So here's their custom Tacoma pickup. Or no, not Tacoma pickup.
Hilux.
All right, so it is a Toyota Hilux. Oh yeah, that's right. It's a Hilux. It's not a Tacoma. It's not a pickup. It's a Hilux. We have 1552 wheels right there. Here is Rock Jock. We have their anti sway bar kit here, and look at this. This is all their stuff here. Look at all the nice, cool flexi flex that it's doing. Now heading this way. And here is Toyo Tires, and here's their booth, and they're still setting up. We got this crazy huge what's this, Dodge Ram, heavy duty, and wow, it's the Storyteller. That's nice. Bilstein shocks here. Some more vendors still setting up. Oh, we got that huge trailer right there that's for sale or camper. Look at this Tesla, all off-road out with the BF Goodrich tires. Even has a cool looking roof rack. Here is Bilstein's, what's this? Their Unimog. We see this a lot. Oh, look at this SEMA 2024 4Runner. Look at this, all TRD'd out. And then we got some Land Cruiser, because we are in the Toyota booth, and we have Kumho tires there, and we have a bunch of what's this, trailers all parked here. Wow, they have a lot of trailers here. And we have the Subaru booth. They're still fixing up. This is now the entrance on the other part of the Overland Expo. We're now headed this way now. These are all the awesome trucks and rigs that they have here. There's a nice, lovely, all-new Tacoma with the KC lights. And here is Peak Suspension, Rigged Supply. Oh wow, look at this nice 4Runner here. Look at the tailgate. They got the tent. Wow, they even got the carbon fiber fenders with the King shocks, with the KC lights. We're now here at Inspired Overland, and they're known for their rooftop, ultra lightweight rooftop tents. And here's the Lexus GX right here. So we're now here at the 74 Weld booth, and check out all their cool trucks with portals. Here's a nice Tacoma with the 74 Weld portals. Oh, here's a nice 4Runner with the portals right here. Oh, it even has a 74 Weld upper control arm. And check out this Ranger right here. Look at this with the 74 Weld portals over there, with the Baja designs, with the tent, and there's their portals right there. Check out this nice Tacoma with some dynamic lights, R1 concept brakes with the KMC wheels with a nice cool wrap. And then check out this Gladiator here, all R1 concept out with the KMC beadlock wheels, Nito tires. And check out this awesome Land Cruiser here with the 74 Weld portals. Wow, feels like a lot of trucks here got portals, guys. This is clean with the Baja design lights, with the roof rack, with the side steps, with the Icon suspension. Right, so here's all the cool trucks that is out here so far. We are going inside building number 10. So they have PCI radios here, have Cruiser Tech. Wow, they have some nice Land Cruisers here. Wow, look at this 90s Land Cruiser. And then we got this classic Land Cruiser here. Land Cruiser pickup that they converted into an Overland. Here is another clean Land Cruiser, the new gen. And it looks like this has 74 weld portals. We got this 4Runner carrying this dome tick trailer. Oh, this is so cool. This is how the front looks like here. It's a nice 4Runner here. Some nice cool Jeeps here. Wow, look at this, all rock jocked out. This is clean. Here's a 2-door Jeep. Here's another 2-door Jeep, the PRP seats. Nice roll cage too. Vulcan tires there. Now over here in this part, and here is rugged radios. Now here on this part, wow, they got the Camberg MagnaFlow truck there. We have MB Quart. Look at this nice Dodge Ram truck here. Look at this, all overland off-road set up. Cool truck here. Look at that. They got the solar panels. They got everything here. This is crazy. So check this out. We actually saw this at SEMA. This is the Pivotal Helix. Look at this, all carbon fibered out plane. Look at that, carbon fiber propellers, carbon fiber wing, chassis, everything. This is so cool. And here's their booth right here. All right, guys, we're getting an Uber so we can get picked up here in front of gate 8. We are back here at 5 Crowns, and this is how this awesome place looks like. This is our to-go special at 5 Crowns. So we got their biggest cut here.
Yeah.
I forgot what it's called, but it's the largest cut that you can get. And it comes with their bread, lobster bisque. We got the spinach. We got their corn and the sauce for the prime rib. And then we got our water. And check this out. We're here in Corona del Mar in a picnic. And check out our view here. Look at this. We got the Pacific Ocean right there. And it's sunset right now too. So, okay, let's do this. Wow, look, there's Catalina Island, and look, the sunset. It's so nice here at the Crystal Cove, what do I call this? Crystal Cove Center.